Once upon a twilight in the year 2157, the sun dipped into the horizon, weaving a tapestry of stars upon the indigo sky. In the heart of the sprawling metropolis, where buildings glistened like silver, a girl named Lily lived a life shrouded in mystery. She was an enigma, an enchanter of the shadows, gifted with unparalleled abilities. Lily was a changeling, a child of two worlds. Born of a human mother and a mysterious father hailing from the realm of the mutants, she inherited both the wonders of human ingenuity and the dark secrets of the mutants' arcane powers. With one foot in each world, she walked a tightrope between the mundane and the fantastical, forever destined to belong to neither. As a child, Lily discovered her unique abilities: the power to shapeshift, to bend shadows to her whim, and to communicate telepathically. With each passing day, her powers grew, and so did her insatiable curiosity about her origins. Her mother, a humble librarian, had raised her in the dim-lit stacks of the library, whispering to her tales of distant worlds and heroic adventures. The whispers of her mother's stories soon melded with the murmurs of her mutant heritage. Her veins thrummed with the potent cocktail of destiny, and she found herself at the center of a prophecy foretelling the fall of humanity and the rise of the mutant empire. Yet, instead of recoiling in fear or revulsion, Lily embraced the prophecy, determined to make it her own. The years cascaded by like water over ancient stones, and Lily, now a woman of extraordinary poise and beauty, ventured into the heart of the mutant realm. There, she met her father, the enigmatic Lord of Shadows, who reigned over a kingdom of darkness and intrigue. He tutored her in the ancient arts of the mutants, and with each lesson, her power swelled until it eclipsed even his own. With her newfound mastery, Lily returned to the world of men, her eyes alight with ambition. She wove a labyrinth of shadows around the earth, ensnaring the unsuspecting populace in her web of darkness. As governments crumbled and chaos reigned, Lily ascended to the throne of the world, her dominion casting an eternal twilight upon the land. Yet, in her moment of triumph, Lily found herself haunted by the memories of her human mother and the warm embrace of the library. She began to question the purpose of her conquest, her heart torn between her mutant heritage and the love of her human family. In the depths of her doubt, a new prophecy emerged, whispering that only she could bridge the chasm between the worlds and bring about a new age of unity and peace. Emboldened by the promise of this prophecy, Lily embarked on a quest to find the fabled Mirror of Unity, an artifact said to possess the power to merge realms. With the help of an unlikely band of allies, she journeyed through dimensions, each more perilous and fantastical than the last. Along the way, she encountered wonders and terrors beyond her wildest dreams, the very fabric of reality stretching and warping around her. At long last, Lily stood before the Mirror of Unity, its surface a shimmering portal to the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. As she gazed into the abyss, she saw not only the reflection of her own soul, but the essence of all beings, human and mutant alike. With a newfound understanding of the interconnectedness of life, Lily shattered the mirror, and the shards rained down like a celestial shower, weaving together the disparate threads of existence, as the shards of the Mirror of Unity cascaded through the tapestry of the cosmos. A spectacular dance of light and shadow unfolded. The barrier between the realms of humans and mutants began to dissolve, their once rigid boundaries blending into a harmonious symphony. The labyrinth of shadows that once shrouded the earth unraveled, bathing the world in the warm glow of unity. Lily's heart swelled with love and compassion, her once insatiable lust for power giving way to an unshakable desire for harmony between all living beings. As the Queen of Shadows, Lily used her vast knowledge and power to guide the newly merged world, fostering a spirit of cooperation and understanding. She encouraged collaboration between the brightest minds of humanity and the most gifted mutants, and together they forged a new society that celebrated the unique strengths and talents of every individual. In this brave new world, the once feared mutants were embraced as equals, their arcane powers harnessed for the betterment of all. Humanity, in turn, shared their ingenuity and creativity, and the two races blossomed into an alliance that spanned the stars. Lily, once a harbinger of darkness, became a beacon of hope, guiding the world towards a golden age of peace and prosperity. The prophecy of conquest and destruction was transformed into a tale of unity and redemption, a testament to the power of love and understanding. And so, as the sun dipped into the horizon and the stars began to dance across the sky, the world whispered the name of the girl who walked between realms, the Queen of Shadows who dared to defy destiny and unite worlds. For in the heart of Lily's labyrinth, where light and shadow intertwined, a new age dawned, a time of unity, wonder, and boundless possibility. Thank you for watching. You could download the vocabulary PDF below. To stay up to date on our future videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And let us know what you think in the comments below.